Welcome to this PrintGizmo tutorial on setting up a standard product in PrintGizmo. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of adding a standard product to your catalog. Whether you're new to PrintGizmo or just need a refresher, we've got you covered. Let's get started. We are taking the reference for a standard business card from the catalog for setting up a product. For this, we need to define product name, size, a quantity, additional options, pricing, descriptions, action buttons, etc. To do this, go to the PrintGizmo dashboard, navigate to the Products section, and then click on Products, then the Add button. From the pop-up, select your product type as Catalog Product, Quote Product, Service Product, or Catalog, Combined Price, Multi-Vendor, then click Save and Continue. On the Add Product page, enter the product name, define the product type, and assign it to a product category. Now it is time to define the pricing method for this product. We have 4 pricing methods in the system: fixed quantity and price, range-based with multiplication, range-based without multiplication, and size-based price dynamic size. We are creating a product with fixed quantity and price, so let's just select this option. Enable the status of the product so it is visible in your storefront. Next, under the Configuration section, define the organization for which storefront you are creating this product. Now select the printer for this product. In the customization options, you need to select the action buttons to be displayed for the customers after selecting the product. Let's select Browse Design to allow customers to browse the product templates, Custom Design to allow customers to create product design from scratch, and Upload Center to enable them to upload their design files for the selected product. You can define stock management, product SKUs, production days, and cutoff times with the relevant details in the form, and then click on the Save and Continue button. In the Description tab, upload the small and large images for the product and enter the product descriptions to be included and displayed on various levels. Once done, click on Save and Continue. Now define the different product sizes you are offering to your customers by entering the size title, bleed size, and images for reference, and set one of the sizes as the default option. In the Below section, set up the product pages for this product. As we are creating a business card, we will have 2 pages front and back. Next, we'll set product margins. You can define the printing areas for the respective pages. To know more about this feature, you can refer to our video on Custom Sizes feature on the Help portal. Save the changes made by clicking Save and Continue and move to the Pricing section. On the Pricing tab, define the quantities for the respective sizes. You can add new quantities in pricing using the Add button, or you can add the data in bulk using the Add Bulk Data screen. Now click on Save and Continue. Next, we have the Additional Options tab. Here you have the option to create new additional options or assign already configured product options to the product. We already have 5 pre-configured product options here: product color, paper weight, paper size, corner, and production time, so we will just assign them to this product. Click on the Add button to create the paper finishing option. Enter the option name, Paper Finishing. Select the type as Radio button. Now enter your finishings and any setup costs. For additional attributes, press the Add button. Now select the default attribute. When finished, click Save and Back. We can now see our paper finishing option has been added. We are skipping the rules, meta tag, and mask image sections for now, as we have separate videos covering these topics. Let's jump to the Gallery tab and then move to Settings. From the Gallery tab, the admin can add product images or videos. After entering the title, you can add media either by uploading the file or by embedding the code and then save. In the Gallery setting, you can define how the gallery images will be added and displayed on the storefront. With default selected, the admin will only need to specify the title, select the language, specify the sort order, upload the image file with recommended file extensions, then save. This means when a customer selects a specific additional option attribute, then the product image bound with the option will be displayed. When the option gallery type is configured, the system will refer to the product's additional option images instead of product gallery images. When your customers select the specified combination at the product price calculator, Only then will the product's gallery image change to give them a real-time feel. You have successfully created a standard product. If you have any questions, our support gurus are here to help. Just reach out through live chat on your PrintGizmo dashboard. Thanks for tuning in.